This is the Anmus portable tire inflator. It comes with a dust-proof bag. The tire inflator itself is pretty small. It's about the size of my iPhone, a little thicker. It comes with nozzles for ball inflators, things like blow-up toys, bike tires, car tires. You can easily turn it on. And then it has presets for car tires, motorcycle, bicycle, balls. You can switch between which preset you have. If you do change the preset, like if your particular vehicle needs different from what it does, you can change it and it'll remember what you last used it at. Tires, balls, or anything will normally have marked what their PSI requirements are. The inside of the door, they'll normally have the tire information there of what pressure information they need to be at. This has a smart feature that will tell you what the pressure is currently at. So right now I'm at 27, and on the door panel it says it needs to be at 30. As you notice, because I set it to 30 psi, it automatically stopped right at 30 psi. Now I switch to the bicycle. This is motorcycle, this is bicycle. I need it at 50, so I'm going to bump it up to 50. Plug it in and go. And automatic off. So this sucker ball says it needs 68 pounds. I'm going to set this at 7, but I'm going to change it to the ball setting first. It already automatically goes to 8, but I'm going to just be safe and I'm going to set it down to 7. And just because it says 6 to 8 pounds. Currently says 0, so again, with the auto off. So not only is this smart and can turn off, but it has a couple other features to it. It has a built-in flashlight that you can use, and once you turn it on, so you can use it as a flashlight. Also, you can use it as a power brick, so you can plug in other devices to charge it. So it can be a portable power brick to charge your phone or whatever else you need. So great benefits all around.